Today on Hyundai Helpers, we're going over how to safely change a flat tire. Keep in mind, this can be dangerous if not done correctly, so if you're uncomfortable at any time, be sure to contact roadside assistance so a pro can help. Right, Crouton? Here are the essential items you'll need: a car jack, your owner's manual, a tire iron, and of course, a spare tire. It also wouldn't be a bad idea to keep a flashlight, rubber gloves, a couple of wedges, and a rain poncho in your vehicle. Before you change a tire, find a safe spot on level ground away from traffic. Turn on your flashers and pull your emergency brake. For added security, insert wedges behind your tires. High five, Crouton. Next, loosen your lug nuts in a star formation, but don't remove them quite yet. For this job, we're using a shop jack, but you should use the one that comes with your vehicle. Find your vehicle's frame and place the jack underneath, close to the flat tire. Consult your owner's manual for the precise location, since most frames have specific slots in them for this purpose. At no point should your body be under the vehicle. Then you can start raising your vehicle with the jack. Now that the tire is off the ground, remove all the lug nuts and place them off to the side. Remove your tire. Place your spare on the lug bolts and tighten your lug nuts by hand, but don't use your tire iron quite yet. And remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Not you, Lucy. Not you. Jiggle your tire to make sure it's completely seated. And tighten the lug nuts as much as possible with your fingers again. Once the lug nuts are secure, you can lower your vehicle to the ground and remove the jack. Now you can fully tighten the lug nuts with your tire iron, but don't forget to tighten them in a star formation. And now you know how to change a flat. Give the crew a high five, and as always, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below.